Hello, my lovely angels. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shishmita, and you're watching Mrs. Out. So, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. And hi, I'm Shishmita. I make content related to almost everything, but mostly on beauty. So, today in this video, I'll be talking about an amazing brand who have recently sent me their products, and the brand name is Dega. So, Dega is an amazing Indian brand who curates their products organically. So this is basically a brand which is completely natural and organic and do not contain any sort of harmful chemicals into their products. So they have sent me a number of products to try them out, and I have tried their products and I really find them very effective on my skin. So when they called me up and asked me my skin type, so that current point of time I was having really oily combination kind of skin. I was having few acne marks on my skin. So according to my skin type, they have sent me the products, and the products they have sent me are basically suitable for oily and combination skin type. Another thing which I liked about the brand is that this brand is completely organic. As I mentioned previously, this is vegan, this is cruelty free, and another key point about this brand is that they do not add any extra fragrance or any added fragrance to their products. Now I have received a lip balm from this brand, and I can actually smell the oil and the waxes which are used to make the lip balm, and they haven't added any sort of extra fragrance or essential oils to it. A few people might not know, but fragrance might cause allergy to few people, so this is a very good thing. So yeah, in this video I'll be showing the application of the products, and for the review thing, if you want a complete detailed review on the products, then you can surely check the blog which I've written, review blog, whose link I'll put in the description box. So yeah, without much further delay, let's get started into the video.
Hey guys, so the first product which I'll use today is this activated charcoal soap bar. So this soap is made in cold process, hence all the benefits of the ingredients used to make this soap are intact and they're in the soap bar. The products which I use to make this product is activated charcoal, olive oil, castor oil and tea tree essential oil. So we all know that activated charcoal detoxifies and purifies the skin by pulling out the dirt from skin, and at the same time tea tree essential oil treats the acne. Now as I previously mentioned that all the products in this video are for oily skin people, so this is meant for normal to oily skin people. I use this product once a day, but if you want and if you have very oily skin, you can use it twice a day. So guys, the next product which I'll use is this Dega's Tea Tree Facial Toner. Now, as the name suggests, this contains only 100% pure steam distilled tea tree water, and it comes in this regular toner packaging with this spray dispenser. So all I do is spray it all over my face and then dab it with my palm, and I use this product twice a day after cleansing my face. So the next product which I'll use today is this face pack. This is the Spirulina and Matcha Acne Control Face Pack. Now we all know that spirulina has got antioxidant property, and at the same time it has got anti-inflammatory properties which helps in treating acne. And the other ingredients which it contains are aloe vera, moringa, neem and comfrey. So we all know that aloe vera helps in boosting the moisture of your skin, while moringa and neem gives you a glowing skin. At the same time it helps to treat the acne. Now what I do is I mix this face pack using this tea tree facial toner. You can simply use normal water or regular water, and then I make a face pack out of it. Then I apply it all over my face and I keep it for 15 to 20 minutes max, until and unless it dries up, and then I remove it using normal cold water. Now if you have really very oily skin, you can try this product twice a week, but since I have combination skin type, I use once a week, because whenever I use this face pack, it tends to dry up my skin. Hence what I do is I follow up with the toner again, and then I use my favorite moisturizer. Now the last product which I'll use today is this lip balm. This is their beetroot lip balm. Now this is the most favorite product I have received from Dega. Now this contains almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, beetroot extract and beeswax. So due to the beetroot extract, the color is very pink, and we all know that beetroot is meant to give pink color to your lips, and at the same time it plums up your lips. And the almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil removes the dryness and patchiness of your lips and makes it more supple and soft.
So yes guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment below if I should make such kind of videos in future or not, or what kind of videos you want to see in future. And yes, do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay gorgeous. Love you all. Bye bye.